Hey there! Welcome to our 3D world of math. Today we're going to learn how to find the surface area of this cool-looking shape, a hexagonal prism. A hexagonal prism is a solid shape with two hexagon-shaped bases, one on the top and one on the bottom, and six rectangles connecting them. Now let's unfold the prism and take a closer look. We can see all the parts separated, two identical hexagons and six matching rectangles. This gives us a better idea of how the surface area is made up. The total surface area is the area of the two hexagons plus the area of the six rectangles. Now let's build a formula to find the total surface area. We need to add twice the area of the hexagonal bases and six times the area of the rectangles on the sides. To make things easier, let's break down one of the hexagons. If we divide it into smaller parts, we get six identical equilateral triangles. This will help us calculate the area of the hexagon more easily. To find the area of an equilateral triangle, you can use this formula. Square root of 3 divided by 4 multiplied by a squared, where a is the length of one side of the triangle. We have a total of 12 triangles from both sides, so the formula becomes 12 multiplied by the square root of 3 divided by 4, and then multiplied by a squared. To this result, we need to add 6 multiplied by the length and the breadth of the rectangles. And there you have it. The final answer is 172.76. Isn't it amazing how breaking down a complex shape into simpler ones makes the whole area calculation super easy and fun? Math becomes so much more exciting when we actually see what's happening and dive into those simple steps hiding underneath. Keep exploring, keep visualizing, and I'll see you in the next video.